पहले ताली थाली और फिर दिए जलाने के बाद अब कोरोना वॉरियर्स के लिए फूल बरसाए गए। हालांकि फूलों की बारिश के लिए आपको घर से बाहर आने की जरूरत नहीं थी, बल्कि ये काम फौज ने किया। इस टास्क को देने का काम भी पीएम मोदी ने नहीं, बल्कि सीडीएस बिपिन रावत ने किया है। इतवार को तीनों अफवाज ने कोरोना के खिलाफ लड़ाई लड़ रहे वॉरियर्स की हौसला अफजाई अपने अपने तरीके से की। आज फौज के जवानों ने मुल्क भर में कई मुकामात पर कोरोना वॉरियर्स की इज्जत में हेलीकॉप्टर से फूलों की बारिश करते हुए उनके साथ इजहार यकजहती का मुजाहरा किया। इसी तर्ज पर हैदराबाद के गांधी अस्पताल, जहां कोरोना के मरीजों की देखभाल की जा रही है, वहां के डॉक्टर्स, नर्स और दीगर मुलाजमीन पर हेलीकॉप्टर के जरिए फूलों की बारिश की गई और उनकी हौसला अफजाई की गई। इस मौके पर हैदराबाद पुलिस कमिश्नर अंजनी कुमार भी मौजूद थे, जिन्होंने आज के इस खुसूसी मौके की मजीद जानकारी दी।
Indian Army, Indian Air Force, Navy, they all expressed a feeling of solidarity, a feeling of acknowledgement to the hard work, devotion and sincerity of all the front-line warriors who are fighting Corona. The front-line warriors include all the doctors, all the nurses, all the technical staff of hospital, all the Safai Karmchari of hospital, all the police officers, all constable officers who are there 24 hours on the road, leaving behind their family and fighting with this virus on the road to protect the society, to protect the children, to protect the elders of each and every family. This is a historical occasion. Whenever there is a crisis anywhere in the world, the entire segment of society get united. And today was nothing but a reflection of this unity, that the entire country is one. They were raising the slogan, "We shall fight, we shall win. Together we fight." This kind of challenging situation, it comes but once in a century in history. And what we are seeing today, not only at Gandhi Hospital, but at all hospital, at all the police checkposts, is history in making. How the responsibility and the sense of self-discipline has brought the entire nation together. I am grateful to each and every person who are fighting this battle in their own capacity. The family is fighting by remaining indoors. The children are fighting by resisting their temptation to come out and play. The elders are fighting that they are not coming out for morning walk. Everybody is fighting. And that is what makes this country great. I am proud of each and every citizen of Hyderabad who have contributed in this struggle, and I am sure that we will fight and we will win. Thank you. The Honorable Chief Minister of Telangana, about 1 week back, he had made it very clear that all these workers are partners of economic development of our state. And therefore, it is our responsibility to see that nobody sleeps with empty stomach. We have been feeding more than 45,000 laborers every day in the city of Hyderabad with the help of GHMC, with the help of all the donors, with the help of Revenue Department, with the help of Police Department. However, still, if some people want to go home, it is our responsibility to arrange. And that is why Government of Telangana, in collaboration with all the stakeholders like Indian Railways, Transport Department, we are facilitating the movement. We are taking care of that. We are issuing passes and we are taking care of the needs of each and every family staying in the jurisdiction of Hyderabad. Thank you.